Be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 10. Igneous rocks can easily be identified through their A. Glassy appearance, B. Coarse texture, C. Stratified layers, D. Fossil content. So igneous rocks is one of the forms or types of rocks that we have. Now igneous rocks are formed from hot molten magma escaping to the Earth's surface and cooling. Now once they cool, they are characterized by a glassy or crystalline appearance. That is, based on its appearance, it looks sort of like a glass or a crystal based on appearance. So this is the distinguishing characteristic of igneous rocks. That's why we are asked how it can easily be identified. So from what we have said, a glassy appearance is option A. So option A, glassy appearance, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.